Hello, and welcome to another Rapid tutorial. In today's session, we're going to show you how to update your insurances from your contractor portal. To begin, you must be logged into your MyRapid account. If you're unsure how to log into your MyRapid account, review our tutorial called How to Log In. Once you're logged into your MyRapid account, you should be presented with the tile for the customer or customers for whom you're required to update insurances. If you're unable to find this tile, please ensure that you've checked and clicked on the green Rapid Contractor banner on the left-hand side of your MyRapid portal. This should display by default. Once you've identified the client for whom you're required to re-upload insurances, simply click on the blue Enter tile. This will take you to your contractor portal. As you can see, if a document, an insurance document, or a safe work method statement or job safety analysis is due to expire, a notification will appear on the screen. There's two ways to go about uploading an insurance. Firstly, you can simply click on the insurance documents banner within the alert, or alternatively, on the left-hand side, click on Insurance Documents. The document due to expire in this scenario is my workers' compensation insurance. To update a new document, all I'm required to do is click on Update. I'll then be asked to enter the new expiry date and then select a file from my computer. Once I've done that, I simply hit Upload. If I've accidentally uploaded the wrong document, I can continue to update this. The document now sits in the status of Require Verification. Your client administrator will now be required to review the document and approve. Once the document is reviewed and approved, the update button will be removed and any further changes will need to be emailed directly to your client administrator. The Upload Documents feature is similar across all of the pages. If you're required to update any additional documents, you'll be flagged on the portal. You may also be required to update SWIMs or JSAs. You may be required to present them in time for your site visit. Uploading a SWIMs or JSA is very similar. You'll click on the SWIMs JSA tab and quite simply select the site or sites that you'll be uploading this document for. Once you've updated the document, click Upload. The document again sits in the status of Require Verification. Once your document has been updated and verified by your client administrator, you'll be notified by return automatic email. If you require any assistance, please contact Rapid Global Support on 1-800-307-595 or via our email at support@rapidglobal.com. Thank you.